If you want to score full marks in physics in first semester board examination, then you must watch this video till the end. This is an ultimate guide where I'll be covering important topics for your first semester board examination. We'll also solve MCQs of different subjects in this channel, so you must subscribe it. I have uploaded notes, MCQs, and sample papers in my Telegram channel. The link to it is in the description box and also available in the I button. Let's have a look on this syllabus. I know most of you have already gone through this syllabus. 5 chapters are there in your syllabus: electrostatics, current electricity, magnetic effects of current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents, electromagnetic waves. Now I'll share some tips that will be helpful for you. First, learn and revise all the formulas. If you have maintained any formula notebook or you have made any notes, you must revise all these formulas. I'm telling you just because you'll be getting direct formula based questions in your board examination. Now, students were commenting about the physics question paper. They were saying that they'll get questions of IIT and JEE, but it is not true. You will get moderate level questions, you will not get very difficult questions. You have to revise all the formulas, try to practice numericals based on them. Second point, no derivations or proofs. Do not waste your time learning the derivations, because this time you are getting MCQs. You don't have to derive any formula, or you'll not be asked questions on proofs or derivations, but you have to just revise it. Please learn the derived formula that will be asked in your question paper. Now, numericals are very important. You can't neglect them. Practice numericals from my videos. I'll be uploading a video on important MCQs of physics. You can practice the numericals from there. Plus, refer to the sample paper given by the council. Take care while ticking the correct option. Before taking the correct option, before entering that option in your answer, you have to check if the unit is correct. Sometimes it happens that you will take 4 Newton instead of 4 Joule. Fifth is diagram based questions. You have to practice some diagrams. You can also check the mechanism or anything that is relevant. 8400 नंबर को आप सेव कर लीजिए अपने कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में. आपके चाहे कोई भी डाउट हो, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, आपको सबके आंसर्स मिलेंगे इस नंबर पर. इसके लिए आपको पहले सेव करना पड़ेगा इसको कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में. उसके बाद आपके जो भी डाउट्स हैं आपको उसकी फोटो क्लिक करनी है. फोटो क्लिक करने के बाद उसे क्रॉप करना है और सेंड कर देना है इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे. तुरंत पाए वीडियो सॉल्यूशन 5 सेकंड के अंदर 6 to 12 आईआईटी जेईई मेंस एंड एडवांस नीट और सारे स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए. तो देर किस बात की, अभी अपना डाउट इस नंबर पे भेजिए और इंस्टेंट सॉल्यूशन पाए. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. Now you'll get a PDF in the description box in which I have written ISC 12th Physics handwritten notes. Go and check them. You will find out all the formulas and important topics in that presentation, in that PDF. I'll also share this syllabus so that you can get a brief idea about which topics are there in your syllabus. You can see some laws like Coulomb's law, superposition principle. They may ask you definitions, like they'll give you a definition and ask which law is this. From capacitance, you can learn these formulas and also try to solve these questions which have this dielectric constant. You will get a question on Kirchhoff's law for sure, and Ohm's law, R is equal to rho L by A, electrical energy and electric power consumed. I am marking some of the topics that come every year. For magnetism, you have to study this Ampere's circuital law and Biot-Savart law. Conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter and a voltmeter is a frequently asked question. Again, we have this force on a moving charged particle in magnetic field in the vector form. Revise all the formulas in vector form. LCR circuit is again very important. Resonance, AC generator, self-induction, transformer, LCR circuit and its formulas. Then power associated with the LCR circuit. Electromagnetic waves, transverse nature, their characteristics, elementary facts of electromagnetic waves and their uses. For electromagnetic waves, they'll ask you which is not a property of electromagnetic wave. So you have to revise all its properties and then move on to frequency and wavelength of all these electromagnetic waves, their source and detection, how to arrange electromagnetic waves in terms of frequency. As I promised, I'll be uploading video on important MCQ for physics. So you can subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.